Sorry about that, I accidentally hit the button. But yeah, he's going to try to get the snowblower working. I'm just getting ready to feed the dog. Feed my St. Bernard. I think I turned out that back light. And then I gotta swap out the batteries and so I can get new ones in there. But yeah, I'm gonna feed my St. Bernard. Whoops. But yeah, like I said, I'm sorry I didn't upload these last night. I'm going to try to do it today. But yeah, I know this would make the 5th video. But yeah, and then I'll have one more uploaded. I'll make another video, maybe 1 or 2 more today. But yeah, I figured I'd let everybody know I'm going to swap out these batteries here soon. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.